Are you a travel lover? Is your favorite activity jet-setting around the world? Then you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and these are the top 5 Tumi products you need for all your travel needs. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. Tumi is known for making really quality products for traveling, and these are the top 5 you need for your next vacation. Number 1, a suitcase. And this Tumi 19-degree extended trip expandable 4-wheeled packing case is perfect. It's got a 99-liter capacity with 4 dual spinner wheels and is made out of recycled polycarbonate shell. It has an integrated TSA lock with a few different grab handles all around and 3-stage telescoping handle. There's a luggage tag for you to easily identify your suitcase, a zip entry to the main compartment, and a zipper expansion to give you even more room. Inside, there's a couple zip pockets, compression straps, and a hanger bracket to keep your garments wrinkle-free. Moving on to number 2, the Arrive Norte backpack. This thing is compact, but chock full of pockets. On the exterior, there's a zip entry to the main compartment, a U-zip front pocket, both with magnetic zipper pulls, a carry handle, magnetic luggage tag, and an add-a-bag sleeve, so you can just slide it right over your suitcase. On the inside are a ton of pockets, including a laptop pocket for a laptop up to 14 inches, and there's even a removable leather key ring so you can keep those keys handy at all times. At number 3, we've got the Alpha Carryall Tote Bag. This is perfect for when you're heading to relax on the beach on your vacation. It's made of ballistic nylon with a waterproof lined bottom zip pocket. You've got a snap closure to the main compartment, a top carry handle, adjustable shoulder strap. There's even a pocket to tuck away the strap. You've got a front slip pocket here and an add-a-bag sleeve on this one as well if you opt to add this to your suitcase instead of your backpack. And on the inside, there are a couple more pockets for storage and a key leash so you won't lose your keys in the sand. Then when you head to your hotel or Airbnb, you're going to want somewhere to put your toiletries, right? Coming in at number 4 is the Tumi Voyageur Medina Cosmetic Bag. This is great because it can lay flat or hang from a fixture like a bathroom hook. There are tons of pockets for all your toiletries on this thing. You'll get a front straight pocket with locking zipper pull on the outside and a carry handle. Then there's a double zip entry to the main compartment, which has 3 transparent zip pockets, one of which has triple pocket dividers. It also has a detachable nylon zip pouch for extra storage. And at number 5, we've got the Belden Zip Card Case. This is the perfect little wallet for when you don't want to lug around a huge wallet with all your cards, IDs, cash, and other items. This will really streamline your essentials, so you'll leave the house with everything you need without feeling too bulky. It's made from a leather material, has a front slip pocket, a back slip pocket, and a zip entry to the main compartment that also features a keychain, which makes this little thing even more convenient. And those are the top 5 Tumi products you need for your next big adventure. If you have any other questions about any of these products or any other Tumi products we carry, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. All right, it's time for me to take off. I'll see you next time.